Hi, this video is a quick demo showing you a couple useful design features: align and group. If you are designing flyers or posters, you will find alignment tools very helpful. Alignment tools allow you to quickly align multiple objects by position and size. Objects always align to the last selected object. To use the alignment tools, all you have to do is select the objects you wish to align, right-click or control-click, then select the appropriate alignment option. In this demo, we want to align the selected objects by width, position, and vertical spacings. When selecting multiple objects, the Group tool groups all selected objects, so you can move them together. To use the Group tool, select all the objects, right-click or control-click and choose Group. You can ungroup and regroup objects at any time.